Everybody, welcome back. Here we have a Hikari LED light kit for my Honda Civic. The headlights on it really suck. Found these on Amazon. The reviews were good. I have Megatron, it says. I don't know what that's all about exactly, but get it to open up here. Show you what they look like. So the reviews were pretty good. Just plugs in. And I guess you can turn and clock them somehow. I haven't really inspected them that much, but anyways, that's what they look like. They're kind of directional somehow. I don't know how it works exactly. Anyways, it sounds like they're going to be pretty awesome. So, I haven't really checked them out that much, but it says to read the manual. So I'll be sure to check that out. There's some of the info on the installation. These are the H4 for what my Civic needs. Some info. Anyways, so I will get to pulling out the stock bulbs, and then we'll put these in and we'll come back and see how they go. I wish I'd have done a night light comparison, which maybe I will. Maybe I won't put them in today yet. I'll do a night comparison and then do a day comparison. Okay, I couldn't wait. Here's the bulb. That's how I did that one. That thing just kind of pulls out, and then you can get down in there. You can see there's a little wire keeper that holds it in place. So pull the plug off, pull this rubber boot off, take that little wire thing loose, and then the bulb will pull out. So now I'll get the new one installed and we'll go from there. Okay, hard to tell, but I've got them installed. I hope you guys can tell here. LED is here, old normal halogen one is here. Visually there's a big difference right now. You can see the yellowness of that one. You can see the white clearness of that one. Well, clear. I definitely need to fix my screens, but anyways, we'll test it at night and see how it works. Okay, now I've got them both installed. I've kind of rotated them around a little bit. We're gonna have to see once it gets dark, because you can kind of clock and time them a little bit. Hard to really get a good view of them, but anyways, they're down in there. There you can see it. They have a little fan or something in there because they kind of buzz. I couldn't get these back on. I tried cutting one to give it some space, but no luck. But you can really hear this one. I don't know if you can hear it vibrating in there. There's a fan or something in it. So anyways, they're in, they're working. Now we just need it to get dark and see if they helped.